In this video, I'm going to show you how to use drawing to find your passion. First, you take some time to think about what you actually want. You can use what you found on Pinterest, or you can just think about what makes you happy. What makes me happy are the mountains, a lake, a nice house. So that's where I start. And again, it's not about if you draw beautifully. It's just to see where you come up with. So my drawing is totally not up to scale. You guys probably won't have any idea what I'm doing here, but that's fine. I am drawing this house. When I did this task myself before, when I was actually trying to figure out what I wanted to do, I started thinking when I was making this house, and I was like, it needs to be an open space because I want a lot of people there. And I started to think more like, what kind of people would I want there? And then I realized I would want people that are inspired and want to figure out what they want in life. I want them to be on my farm. I want there to be a lot of animals on my farm. So I started drawing all these animals, and I was like, fuck, but how am I going to take care of all those animals? So as soon as you open yourself up to what you're drawing and like, why are you drawing it? What does it make you feel like? Just keep going and see what it gives you.